Transforming simple product images into dynamic AI videos is now faster than ever with Google Whisk AI. Start by opening any browser and searching for Google Whisk, then open the website to begin your project. Once the platform loads, click on the Start Project option to enter the editor. Here you can upload a reference image of the product you want to animate or transform into a video. This helps the AI understand the appearance and style of your product before generation begins. After uploading the image, move to the prompt section and describe the type of video you want to create. You can mention details like camera motion, lighting, cinematic effects, product presentation style, background environment, and the overall mood of the video. A more detailed prompt usually results in smoother and more professional-looking output. Next, open the Video Settings panel and customize options such as frame count, aspect ratio, video mode, and generation version according to your needs. Whether you're creating e-commerce ads, social media reels, or cinematic product showcases, these settings help optimize the final result for your platform. Once everything is ready, click on the Submit button and let the AI generate your video. After a short wait, your animated product video will be ready to preview. You can then simply download the final result and use it for marketing, branding, or social media content. This AI workflow makes professional product video creation simple, fast, and accessible directly from your browser.